Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can factory reset your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, in order to factory reset your PlayStation 5, firstly, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you click on settings, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the settings. Here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental controls. And right here, you're gonna find system. Once you find system, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, go ahead and click on system software. Then right here, you're gonna find console information, system software updates and settings, report system software errors, and so on. So just go all the way down until you find reset options. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're gonna find clear learning dictionary, restore default settings, and reset your console. Go ahead and click on reset your console, and then right here you're gonna find this message saying all users and all data will be deleted. Console sharing and offline play will be disabled for all users on this PlayStation 5. So if you are sure about it, go ahead and click on reset. Then you're gonna be able to reset your device. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.